Hi, I'm Emma, and back in January 2021, I decided to take on the second quarter of the Jurassic Coast Challenge in aid of Mind UK, the mental health charity. The challenge is known for being an ultra event, with the full challenge being a grueling, continuous 100-mile run over a 2-day period. Yes, you heard me correctly, 100 miles running continuously. Absolute nutters. Luckily, this event caters for all though, and being older and as overweight and as unfit as I am, I certainly won't be running any of it. But instead I have chosen the most scenic portion of the event and will be walking from Corfe Castle to Weymouth on a 34 kilometres or 21-mile stretch of the immensely beautiful Jurassic coastline. After a year of being in and out of lockdown, when the new year came, I knew I needed a physical challenge that will get me off the sofa, out from behind the laptop and out from the mountain of chocolate bars, and get me focusing on my physical and mental health. My struggles with mental health have been long and arduous, spending most of my life feeling like I don't really fit in, like something was wrong with me, and not really understanding why I felt the way I did. In the summer of 2019, after a 6-month bout of depression, which took me lower than I'd ever been before, I finally asked for help. Charities like Mind UK offer an invaluable service to people with mental health issues, but also a source of information for family and friends to support their loved ones who are going through tough times. My journey through therapy was an eye-opener, the flipping of the switch, the adjustment I needed to move forward with my life in a more positive way. And after 40 years of feeling intensely sad, confused and broken, I suddenly felt free for the first time in my life. And while I still struggle sometimes, I now have the understanding and the tools I need to support myself and move forward. So it's my turn to give something back, to help provide even just one person with access to the tools they need to set themselves free. Now I know some of you may be thinking 21 miles, that isn't that far, and I get it. I've completed the London Moonwalk previously, which is a marathon or 26 miles, and it was tough but doable. And some of you may run 10k every Sunday and do a couple of half-full marathons a year. I understand. However, if you know me, you will know that I've had issues with my weight and have done for most of my life. I have a knee injury that I've had since I was 14, caused by swimming, which has never been fixed, and my body feels every one of its 46 years in age. So what I'm saying is, this is going to be challenging for me. It's not going to be a walk in the park, and that's why I chose it. This challenge has kept me awake at night, as some of the hills involved are fairly steep, and I'm not going to lie, while I've been doing some hill training for the last few months, I'm pretty nervous about completing the full distance. I will also be doing this challenge on my own. That's me, my overthinking brain, and 21 miles of tough walking. This is not only a physical challenge, but it's also going to test my mental ability to push through when it gets tough, when my feet are on fire, my knee is screaming, and my muscle seize up. When all I want to do is stop, will I be able to carry on? Well, that it seems will have to be decided on the day. Thank you to everyone who has sponsored me to complete this challenge. I've been slightly overwhelmed by how much support I have received. It really is appreciated, and I hope I can complete the challenge to justify your contributions to this worthwhile and valuable cause. See you in Weymouth.
Good luck.
Thank you. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. So just had a little stop, little break, little bit of water, a little bit of coffee, a little bit of flapjack. You'll be so proud of me, Sean. I think we're about 5 miles in, coming up to Wallbarrow Hill, I think it's called, which we've done some training on. So got some tough stuff coming up shortly, which is why I had a bite to eat. Feel fine, knees fine, toes fine, everything else is fine at the moment. So yeah, we'll keep on going and save some energy, I think, for the hills that I know are coming up. My nemesis, Weymouth. This is the one I've been dreading the whole time. I don't think this is going to be as bad as I think. Who knows? Oh, I don't know, it looks pretty bad. Okay, here goes nothing.
Of your Jurassic Coast Challenge.
Yeah,
Well
boy! Woo!
34 whopping kilometres finished.
Well done. Well done, Em.
Sir, don't look behind you, but there are two ladies following you.
Hello.
They seem friendly.
Oh,
He's happy about that. Each of their own. Well done.
worth it.
Well done.
Go
At
on
the end of
then.
your quarter challenge, time for a medal and some bubbly. You also get a talented t-shirt. And that is
Oh,
it.
cheers. Woo! Right. Can I go home now? Can I go home now?
Yeah. So Emma, how do you feel?
Relieved that I finished it because I wasn't in a good place a couple of miles ago. I am proud, yeah. But yeah, no, that was hard. If I ever say that I'm ever going to do anything like this again, tell me not to, because
She said that when she did the moonwalk.
Well done, Emma. Well done. Oh, well done. I'm very proud of you. Well done. I'm not doing it next time, by the way. No.